It's a thrill to host this event. We want to bring people into a wonderful venue, Sir Sandford Hotel, and have a really interesting, informal, and hopefully impactful event covering everything that's going on globally that could impact any investor. It will be a full audience of people that range in experience, level of funds they're looking to put into the market. And so it's our challenge and our privilege to try and make it interesting for everyone. We're expecting a lot of investors. We're expecting a lot of our friends and people from a range of backgrounds. So captains of industry, politicians, all the way through to philanthropists and recent graduates. So it's a broad church. It's a wonderful audience that we're privileged to bring here tonight. And we're interested in getting all of their views too.
It was interesting. It re-established currents and themes that are going on in the industry at the time. In a sense, it does tend to sort of reinforce biases that you pick up, but it opens your mind to other things as well. So, yeah, it's a good reflection.
These events are such an education. Even people who are professionals and have been doing it for years can come to something like this and leave with something new.
This was a great event, and I must say that the diversity of the attendees here tonight really impressed me because they're from all walks of life, all age groups, and everyone's extremely open and friendly, and they're all extremely talented, and they're experts in their own areas, and it's nice to have a meeting of minds and experience in this beautiful venue.
People are very happy with our Executive Vice President Lawrence Parker Brown and his eloquent speeches that he's had thus far. They really appreciated the market insight, the global knowledge, the Australian Stock Exchange. They really appreciate everything because it fully encompasses investments and investors and their ambitions with regards to growing their wealth.
I think it's very important if we got a price-compressed market, how there are winners and losers, and I think it's very important to be able to see where the wins and the losses could be, because sometimes I think that we're looking for the winners all the time and maybe not capitalising on the losses.
In anything you do, you never know if you'll ever get the chance to talk to people again. So I think you've got to go hard from the beginning and add value. And one way to look at the prism of investing is where do we think there's a great opportunity? And everyone likes to say what's going to do well, but it never hurts to talk about where you should be concerned. Where are we going to see more output? Where are we going to see less? And if you're ahead of that curve, I mean, we all have supers, it's only helpful and it's only interesting. So I hope that having winners and losers was a good sort of prism through which to view it. Any field, if you're welcomed into it, it's interesting. And that could be creating motion pictures, it could be fashion. With us, it's investing, that's our passion. And I hope we make it interesting for everyone that's attended.